We're talking ba 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 ba. I was sipping and I ride in the middle of a good dream, but counting once I wake up, it's knocking out, just knocking out my brain. Before I put a seal, I hook my pillow to my head and singing out to swing, stringing out the words I say. I think I love you. I think I love you. I think I love you. So what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of a love there is no cure for. I think I love you, and not what life is made of. Though it worries me to say, I never felt this way. I've been thinking something I haven't told you a long time. I think I love you. I don't know what I was up against. I don't know what it's all about. I got so much to think about. Hey, I think I love you. So what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of. I love there is no cure for. I think I love you, and now my life is better. And it worries me to say I never felt this way. Believe me, you're never gonna have to worry. I only wanna make you happy. And if you say then go away, I will. I really wanna really stick around and love you just like I did with my whole family. Do you think you love me? I think I love you. I think I love you. So what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of. A love that you no cure for. I'm going crazy. I think I love you, and now my life is made of. Don't we always be the same? I never felt this way. Do you think you'll love me? I think I love you. Ooh, I think I love you. I think I love you. Ooh, I think I love you. Yeah. Ooh, why?